Are you tired of your guitar solos sounding lackluster and uninspiring? Do you want to take your playing to the next level and captivate your audience with soulful, powerful blues solos? Look no further. In this article, we will explore 5 incredible blues scales that will instantly elevate your guitar solos and leave a lasting impact on anyone who listens. The Pentatonic Scale, your foundation for blues mastery. The pentatonic scale is the foundation of blues music. It consists of 5 notes per octave, creating a versatile framework for improvisation. By mastering the pentatonic scale in all positions on the fretboard, you gain access to an endless array of melodic possibilities. Why should you learn the pentatonic scale? It provides a solid grounding in both major and minor keys, allowing you to effortlessly navigate through different musical contexts. How can you learn it? Start by memorizing its patterns in various positions on the neck. Practice playing these patterns up and down until they become second nature. The blues scale, adding that extra flavor. Once you have mastered the pentatonic scale, it's time to add some extra flavor with the blues scale. This scale incorporates an additional note known as the blue note, which adds a distinctive sound characteristic of blues music. What makes this scale so powerful? The addition of the blue note infuses your solos with emotion and intensity that can truly captivate listeners' hearts. When should you use it? Experiment with incorporating this scale into your solos during climactic moments or when aiming for a more expressive sound. Mixolydian Mode, expanding your harmonic palette. Now that we have explored 2 essential scales for blues soloing, let's dive into another powerful tool, the Mixolydian Mode. This mode is derived from the major scale and has a dominant sound that works perfectly in blues contexts. Why should you incorporate the Mixolydian Mode into your solos? It adds richness to your playing by introducing new harmonic possibilities. How can you use it effectively? Start by practicing this mode in different positions on the fretboard, familiarizing yourself with its unique intervals and experimenting with incorporating it into your blues solos. Dorian Mode, unleashing your inner jazz blues fusion. If you're looking to add a touch of jazz blues fusion to your playing, then the Dorian Mode is an absolute must-know. This mode is commonly used in jazz improvisation but can also be applied beautifully in blues solos. What sets the Dorian Mode apart? Its characteristic minor sixth interval gives it a distinctively sophisticated and jazzy sound. When should you use it? The Dorian Mode shines when you want to infuse your solos with complexity and create an atmosphere of intrigue. Harmonic minor scale, adding tension and drama. Last but not least, let's explore how the harmonic minor scale can bring tension and drama to your guitar solos. This scale differs from others we have discussed as it contains both major and minor intervals, creating a unique tonal palette for expression. Why choose the harmonic minor scale for your blues soloing arsenal? Its dark and mysterious qualities add depth to your playing, making each note resonate deeply within listeners' souls. How can you make effective use of this scale? Experiment with incorporating it during climactic moments or when aiming for a more intense emotional impact. In conclusion, mastering these 5 powerful blues scales, pentatonic, blues, Mixolydian, Dorian, and harmonic minor, will instantly elevate your guitar solos from ordinary to extraordinary. By understanding their unique characteristics and practicing them diligently across different positions on the fretboard, you will unlock a world of melodic possibilities and captivate your audience with soulful, powerful blues solos. So grab your guitar, embrace these scales, and let your creativity soar.